Life we think, oh, is survival, job, some money, some relationship, making ends meet. The whole life revolves around health, money, relationship and reputation. Going round and trying to catch one, then the other, then the other, then the other. One becomes so miserable. When you are miserable, you lose all the four. Health, you lose money, you lose reputation, and you lose relation. Now what we are saying is revolutionary. Life is celebration, life is commitment, life is wisdom, and life is seva. Now my dear, you have such short period on this planet. Why you make so many people miserable around you? And you become miserable yourself. Who said what, when and where? It's not important at all. So when life revolves around commitment, caring, service, celebration and acquiring wisdom, creating celebration around, uplifting human spirit, pumping enthusiasm in others and oneself, being committed to doing good. It revolves around this whole. Money comes, reputation comes, relationships improves, and then health remains robust. What you wanted, you already got it when you don't focus on them.